SOLIDWORKS Inspection 2018 delivers a powerful new capability that makes generating first article inspection documentation even faster. Leveraging the power of model-based design, first article inspection reports can now be generated from dimensions and annotations that have been applied directly to the model geometry using DIM Expert and SOLIDWORKS MBD. New projects can be defined with just a few simple clicks. SOLIDWORKS Inspection instantly recognizes and extracts critical information from your model, such as custom properties, dimensions, and annotations, then automatically balloons all the required items in a matter of seconds. Once all of the model information has been captured, you can automatically generate a first article inspection report using a variety of industry standards or one specific to your organization, ready to be utilized by quality control as final inspection documentation. Using SOLIDWORKS Inspection 2018, first article inspection reports can be created in minutes instead of hours by eliminating the need to create 2D inspection drawings.